Bam! Sounds my videos out. Good morning, good afternoon, or good night, whatever time of day you're watching this video. Today's video is about me changing up my interior. Yes, I'm finna just give a little flavor and style to my interior. Now here's the backdrops I'm gonna get. I'm gonna tell you right now, I got a lot of carbon fiber overlay. Why Jeff wear carbon fiber? Let me tell you something. Come here. It's my wallet, my choice. My wallet, my choice. With the video being said, we're gonna start this things off smooth. Off the rip, I know my table is a mess, okay? We got the Dodge Charger doors. What do you wanna call them? Pretty much we open up the door, that's what you see. And then right here, we got some lights. Now, I ordered 2 sets. One of them says Dodge Charger with the Charger overlay on it. And the second one says RT. I don't know which ones these are. I'm guessing these are the one that says Charger. So, it's about to be a long video, people. So, sit back, grab your Takis, grab your popcorn, grab whatever you like to snack on. You know what I'm saying? Sip it here and there. It's gonna be a little video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel in the background. My sister did that. YouTube channel is ITSKEMONTE. Of course, you already know because you're on this channel. But please like the video. That's all I'm asking. I'm not, just like the video. At least. Thank you. Now, right here we have a kind of hard. This is a tint overlay. This right here is, oh my God. Hold on, I gotta find something to set this down on. Give me a few moments. Let me grab this pledge real quick. Okay. Hopefully that don't roll up. This is the middle part of your tail light tint overlay. Now I got the one without the Dodge logo. And the reason there are 2 of these little things on here is because one of them is for if you have the rear view camera, and the other one is for if you don't. And this right here is for the left. Give me 1 second, guys. I'm doing this all with one hand. I'm not trying to be all over the place with the video. Now this right here is the left and the right tail light. So if y'all can see, I think it's 5% overlay if I'm not mistaken. Now with the lights right here, this what this little tool is. They give you a little tool that can pry. Here are instructions right here. You take out the OEM light that's just shines on the ground to give you enough visual, and it replaces with the logo of your choice. They come with these little boxes right here. Again, everything that I have is off of Amazon, so anybody can easily just search it up. I just search up Dodge Charger RT accessories, and then you got okay. So you got this right here is basically the side markers for the rear bumper. And give me a few moments, cause I'm about to grab some more stuff, so she cannot sit y'all. Forget it. Come on with me. Again, this is my car, so F your opinion. This is the center console right here, carbon fiber overlay, where the cup holders would go. You slide it in the back. You have, of course, you have your armrest will go right there. And that's about it. Nah, of course, this is not real carbon fiber. This is all plastic. You can see it's hydro dipped in carbon fiber, and then top with some type of, I guess, something that makes it glossy. And this right here was a tough little piece to find. This is the center shifter right here. I think I'm gonna order a new one, and I'm not afraid to admit my flaws, that this does not match the rest of them. I should have ordered the second one like I started to and just give this away to somebody, whoever. This does not match the design. Of course, that's what you get when you buy aftermarket parts, but you can clearly see the different designs. So, okay, this is just the box that came with the tent. Let me see. Got another box right here. I have so many boxes coming. Sorry for the shaky camera. Bear with me. Oh. Okay. What is it, Monte? Show us. What is it? Hold on. We got you. These are right here for the windows. This is the driver's side. This is the for the rear passenger, or left, right, whatever you want to say. This is for the passenger side and the front seat. This is for the driver's side. Yeah, I have one more. There it is. There it is. So as you can see, driver's side, passenger side, and the two for the back seats for the window switches. Now let me get some of this clutter out the way, because for you OCD people out there, get all that stuff out the way. Look, cry in the comments. Don't cry to me. I don't want to hear it. So, what else we got next, people? I'm just gonna try to grab these boxes over here. Nice shake of the camera. Cause I forgot all the stuff that I ordered. I was ordering a lot of stuff. This is, I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna save this box for last, okay? That box is very special. Now we have another box with more carbon fiber overlay. I think this is, yes. This is for the door handles, as you can see. A lot of this stuff actually match each other. The only thing that don't match is that center one with the gear shifter, and I'm disappointed. So you get 4 of these. I'm guessing this is the driver's side because you got the 3 little holes for the memory seats. This might be a passenger in the front or in the back. Yeah, they're all the same. So I guess they're all the same. Oh, is this? Why they gave me 5? Yeah, I got a freebie. They gave me 5 of them. Yeah, they gave me a free. Get back, Kimante. Get back. Yeah, they gave me a freebie. Nah, I know this video is kind of being dragged along. Don't worry, y'all. This is an unboxing video. So the next video, I'm going to show me installing parts of it. I ain't gonna show everything because I don't be interested in that, but I don't know if y'all commenting on the video, if y'all want to see the full installation or just partial. But if I don't get enough engagement, I'm probably just gonna be like, you know what? I'm just gonna wing it. Yeah, I'm trying to set y'all up. Boom, we good. I know it's a little shaky. Let's shaky. And this is another box we have. Trying to show the address. Oh yes, this is the flashlight for the GoPro. This is a flashlight for the GoPro. Because if you know, I'm using the GoPro Hero 9 Black. That one I'm recording with, and that does not come with any type of lighting. Okay. Here are some little mats and stuff, you know. This goes for the center under the climate control. This goes on, you know what, hold on. Where's that one piece at? Okay. See this piece right here? This mat right here? Yeah, I'm sorry, y'all. I'm sorry. I forgot to reveal. I am so sorry. I apologize. You know, now y'all gonna eat me up in the comments when I told y'all about this last box that I had. I'm trying to help get this video off my last, you know, die. I'm going to insert this clip somewhere in here. So if you see like a little skip, bam. This is the Mopar T shifter. And yes, this got some weight on it. It is black chrome. Yeah, I see y'all self, don't y'all? Now, I'm gonna be honest with y'all. Dodge sells this on their website, Dodge Official, but Dodge is taxing over $200. They got a shifter like this with the T1, and they got like a pistol grip kind of shifter. I was gonna get it until I seen that price. Saw this off of another YouTuber. Shout out to Marspeed. And this costs like 45, 40 bucks. I'm not gonna quote me. And it is like, it's got some weight to it. So yeah, and all of that, it comes with a little pin right here. Little Allen wrench. I said pin, little Allen wrench for these little screws right here. And I'm going to show y'all how to install that, how to take your regular one off, because you know, a little touch up and stuff like that. But yeah, peace.